Whether you never feel fire, shiver in the cold, but I can see you never walk through this world alone. But I can see you make this world your home. I never said that fear wouldn't find you in the night, but the loneliness was something you never had to fight. But I did say I'd be right there by your side. I did say I'll always help you find. You know I made a promise that I intend to keep. My grace will be sufficient in every time of need. My love will be the anchor that you can hold on to. This is the promise. This is the promise I made to you. I never said that friends would never turn their backs on you, or that the world around you wouldn't see you as a fool. But I did say that I think you should be despised. And I did say my ways come out no I didn't say you never taste the bitter kiss again, or have to walk through chilly Jordan to enter into rest. But I did say love you really, right on the other side. I did say I'll dry every tear you cry. You know I made a promise that I'll prepare a place, and someday sooner than you think you'll see me face to face, and you'll sing with the angels and the countless multitude. This is the promise. This is the promise I made to you. See, I don't know what you're going through, and no matter how many times life devastates you, I want you to know that God still loves you. Now He promises that He will never leave you nor forsake you, because this is the promise He has given us through Jesus. Do you believe that? So just keep on walking, don't turn to the left or right, and in the midst of darkness, let Him be your light. That hell can separate us, and we're gonna make it through. This is the promise. This is the promise I made to you. Oh, this is the promise. This is the promise God made to you. Mm-hmm.